Now, let's talk about helping people. When do you ask a person for help?
I believe I ask for assistance when I am in a difficult situation or am not able to complete tasks on my own. Just the other day, I asked my colleague to help me with the PowerPoint presentation because I was not able to convey some graphics.
How often do you help another person?
It's tough to say, but I think I give assistance at least once per day. Flex helping with chores, that's just dishes or life advice for my friends.
Where are good places for you to seek help?
I believe it depends on the situation. For relationship advice, I go to my family and friends, usually to my mom or my good friend Layla. For work, I look towards my colleagues, and generally a good place is searching online.